Terminal shortcuts are incredibly useful just for navigating the shell. They also come in handy when you want to refer back to previous commands. So let's get started. We can use Ctrl to select text from the terminal. Ctrl plus Shift plus C to copy. Ctrl plus Shift plus V to paste. Up and down arrows. The up and down arrows on your keyboard move through your last used commands. So, if you wanted to run the second to last command you ran, just hit the up arrow twice and hit enter. You can also edit the command before you run it. Ctrl plus left and Ctrl plus right. Hitting Ctrl and the left or right arrow keys jumps between arguments in your command. So, if you had a typo in the middle of the command, you could jump to it quickly with Ctrl and a few taps of the left arrow key. Ctrl plus A and Ctrl plus E. Move your cursor to the beginning and the end of the currently typed command respectively. This is useful if you've, say, typed in a command but realize that there's a typo in the first word. Instead of holding down the left arrow key, just hit the Ctrl plus A and correct it. Ctrl plus U. This clears the entire line so you can type in a completely new command. Ctrl plus K. This deletes the line from the position of the cursor to the end of the line. Ctrl plus W. This deletes the word before the cursor only. One of the most useful shortcuts is using the two exclamation marks to represent the last command you ran. This is useful in a ton of situations. For example, if you run a command that needs root privileges but forget to add sudo to the beginning, there's no need to retype the command, just run sudo. This will run your last used command with root privileges. If the command you want to run is a bit further back in your history, you can use the bang in conjunction with the original string to find it. For example, if you want to run the last command that used cat, you could just type exclamation mark and cat. If you just want to see what the last cat command was, you can instead run exclamation mark cat :p. Also we can type history to show all last commands, then type exclamation mark and command number. And now, we can use the terminal shortcuts